Hi everybody, this is Booby Goer Lisa 007 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am working on a DIY working earrings. I am currently designing this. Nobody has this pattern. It's a pearl heart pearl with earrings. I wonder if you can see that. There you go. This is my original design, and I'm not sure how I came up with it. I just saw whatever was staring at me in the face. I said, let's try to make a pattern, and there it is. Nice earrings. These are hyperallergenic earrings, and they're good for the sensitive skin, but too many I guess this can classify as costume jewelry, because I'm not really using the real pearls. This pearl right here costs $10 a bundle at Michael's that I got a couple of years back, and the price hasn't changed, and they still carry them. But the heart-shaped beads, which are these from my mom's collection of the wholesale shop, are these beads. These are heart-shaped. I had these before she finally sold out. There it is. There's a heart shape with the hole. You can see the hole. I had one in white and black, and they don't make them anymore. Let's try this again. Tiger's in the background barking his brains out, but we'll do this anyway. And airplanes are flying overhead, and you'll hear all kinds of weird sounds, so I apologize in advance. This is like not a tutorial. Well, it is kind of like a tutorial, but I'm trying to show you what I learned over the years, and this is what I came up with to make dangle drop earrings. So we'll need these member wires. I cut mine out so it's ready to go. And to do that, you need a cutter. I'm using a really strong cutter tool, or you could use these inexpensive ones. These work really good too, these cutters. Alright, first things first, we take this memory tool and we stick the hole right in here. To make an eye pin, just stick it through the hole. You don't want to go all the way, but you want to go enough to get it to the bottom. I'm going to create an eye pin. Oops. See me make all kinds of mistakes. There we go, it went through. Now all we gotta do is just squeeze. And take it out. You wanna have something like that. And yeah, you squeeze it with your tool. Adjust it with one of these. It would help if I knew the names of them, but you need your jewelry tools if you want to make earrings. There is your eye pin. Not sure if you can see that. There we go. Alright, now let's create those earrings. What you do, take this tool. These are to straighten out the wires. You're gonna have to go like this and make it really, it makes it really straight. It's really worth the investment, because sometimes you have crooked wires and it's not going to be beneficial to you. So let's try to bend it out. There goes my dog again. Tiger's so excited to be here. That's why he barks all the time. Anyway, he's 13 years old and he's doing really good. And yeah, he's a Maltese dog. We had him since he was a baby. Yeah, sometimes you'll hear him in my videos, so I do apologize that he's barking. So okay, so what we're doing now is straighten out this wire. Straighten out as best you can. And hold. I like to hold it on the bottom so it'll get a firm grip. Remember, you created your eye pin. Now take your bead. Make sure it goes through the hole will go through the bead. And then take your other bead, your heart-shaped bead, put it in the middle, and take your other bead and put it like that. And there you have it. Now all you gotta do is close it. So put your tool back in, but get it as closely as possible. This squeeze. Take it out. You also need some jump rings, I might add. I'm using these one. I think they're 8 millimeter or 6 millimeter. So, and then you need some earring hooks. So take this. If it closes too much, you can always bend it a little bit. Or if it doesn't, what you can do is just try to slip it in the hole. Take a few seconds. I keep dropping mine. I don't even know where it went. Get another one if you can't find it in time. I'll put the jump ring down and then open it just a tiny bit. It's not as easy as it looks, especially if you do it on camera. It's a lot harder. Then take your tool, close it back in. If it pops out, try to stick it back in there. As you can see, I'm still struggling to I don't know how they do it without. I'm still learning as I do this. I'm still new to the earrings. This is my second year of doing earrings, and it's not coming out too bad. And I learned this trick by taking an online class. Take these, and in the back, stick your jump ring and hold it just like that. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, you get the idea. Try to give you my honest opinions. Turn it so that way that little opening area, you'll notice it. It's not that hard to miss. You stick it back behind. Open it like that. Stick another ring inside. Close it back up. Take the same concept. Take your ear wire and stick it in there. You want one of these. And then with that little hole in there, obviously, stick it in the hole that's open. And then close the wire. And then try to bend it, try to shape it out. and then close it. You know when it's closed. It's a very simple concept. Nothing is hard, just don't overthink it. Sometimes I have a tendency of overthinking it, and it's not the case at all. And there you have it. There's your beautiful earring. There's one pair, now I can make another pair. So that's all you have to do, and that's all for this tutorial. You put the pearl, the heart, the pearl, and then your 2 jump rings, and then your ear hook. And then use these memory wire, and you cut. Use the cutter, and you measure it out, and that's all you do. You want about maybe the size of your hand for the length. Sometimes the company's eye pins are too short, and you need something longer to work with. And then you need special tools to to straighten things out, to make them look really beautiful and stuff. So you want it about the size of your hand for an eye pin. I'm measuring out my hand and an adult size, so that's what you want to measure your thing out. Well, this is it. That's the end of the tutorial, and I hope you guys liked this video. I'm sorry for the noises. We had airplanes fly over. It's obviously in the beginning of the afternoon, about 12 o'clock noon over here in Virginia, and Tiggy, my dog, was barking, as he's always barking, but he's 13 years old, and the poor thing, you know, still has it in him. So see y'all next time. Bye.